how to recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. So unfortunately, if you've not logged in after 30 days or within 30 days of deactivating or deleting your account will be permanently deleted, right? So if you want to recover your permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days, then follow these steps. First, open up your browser and search for Instagram help. And here, you need to tap on Instagram help center, which will take you to the help.instagram.com. And here, go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and go with manage your account. Under manage your account, you will have an option of signing up and getting started, which is on the first. You need to tap on it. Now you need to scroll down and you'll find, was this helpful? You need to tap on no and then tap on other, select, and here you need to enter the information. You need to enter the information like this. Hello Instagram team, I deleted my Instagram account and my plan was to log back in within 30 days, but due to something I was unable to log back in and my account is now permanently deleted. This was my business account and it's very important for me to recover it. So please help me restore my account. And you need to enter your username and send it. Submit the feedback, and after submitting, within a few hours, you'll receive some help. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.